let's talk about the discriminant. So the discriminant is a shortcut way of telling what kind of solutions you would have on a quadratic if you were to do the entire quadratic formula. Or in other words, if you want to know what kind of solutions. Now, it will not give you the solutions to a quadratic, but it'll tell you what kind they are. So you can have solutions that are real. You can have solutions that are non-real. And you can have one solution or two solutions or no solutions. So I'll show you what the graph would look like. So if you had a graph that looked like this is two real solutions. You can see it hits the x-intercept right there. So there are two real solutions, literal solutions. This is what it looks like when you have no real solutions, when it doesn't actually hit the x-axis. And here's what it looks like when it has one real solution, is it just touches the x-axis at just one point. So this is one real solution, this is two real solutions, and this is no real solutions. So the discriminant is called b squared minus 4ac. So you calculate that, and it'll let you know which situation you have. So consider this quadratic. So b is -4, so b squared looks like that. Minus 4 times a times c looks like this. -4 in parentheses squared is 16. If you multiply here, you get -8. 16 minus 8 is 8. That means we have two real solutions. So here's the chart. So if when you do b squared minus 4ac, if that's bigger than 0, it means you have two real solutions. That's what happened here. This is greater than 0. 8 is greater than 0, so that's why it's two real solutions. It doesn't mean that 8 is a solution. It means that it's greater than 0. The discriminant was greater than 0, so we know that it has two real number solutions. Now, if we did this b squared minus 4ac and the number that we got was negative, in other words, it was less than 0, it would mean you have no real number solutions. In other words, they're imaginary solutions, so no real number solutions. And then if when you did b squared minus 4ac, if you got exactly 0, that would mean you had one real solution. And it looks like that. Now, if you don't know the difference between a real number and a non-real number and an imaginary number, you should search for that on Google and learn that. Maybe you could even search on this YouTube channel and find a description of the real number system. I think I have that on here, so that might be good for you, because you do need to know that. You need to know, when I say a real number, you should know what that is. If I say non-real, you need to know what that is. And if I say imaginary, you should know what that is. Rational number, integer, all those things are vocabulary terms that you should know. But this is the discriminant. So the discriminant is a shortcut way, not of finding the solutions, but finding how many solutions and what kind of solutions you would have if you did the entire quadratic formula. I hope you noticed that this is the portion of the quadratic formula that is underneath the radical. And that determines what kind of solutions you have and how many you have. See ya.